What up, people? It's your boy, Mr. Nolan. Alright, well guys, if I sound a little bit tired on this video, it was a long weekend. Saturday I had a guys only baby shower. Went to Topgolf, that was great. I probably took about 200 cuts in 2 hours, and man, I was smashing that ball. It was amazing. Had my baseball swing going on in the golf. And then Sunday was my wife's girls only baby shower, so it was a long weekend with that. So, alright. So this first part of the homework, numbers 1, 2, and 3. These are writing equations from word problems. We have not taught y'all how to do that yet, but that's what we're going to be seeing on Unit 9, so we at least wanted to expose it to y'all. Now, this homework is not a grade, but you do need to know how to do the bottom half and the back half for your test coming up on Thursday and Friday. So let's go ahead and get started. Number 1 says, Janine's mother is 47 years old. She is 26 years older than Janine. Write an equation that can be used to find Janine's age. So what we're solving for is Janine's age. Do we know how old she is? No, we don't. So my variable is going to be J, and it's going to be for Janine. And here's how you're going to write this. It says Janine's mother is. You see this word is? It means equals. It equals 47. So we already know the back end of our equation is equal to 47. Well, what is my variable? What am I going to solve for? Well, I'm going to be solving for Janine, her age. So whatever Janine's age is, I'm going to have to add 26 years to it to get whatever her mother's age is. So this is going to be mother's age. The J stands for Janine's age. So see if this makes sense. Janine's age plus another 26 years will give her mother's age of 47. Or you can read it as her mother's age is 47 if you take away 26 years, because the mother is 26 years older than Janine, you would get Janine's age. So this is what we're looking for the equation. Again, some of y'all are going to get a little lost. It's okay. This is the first time you've really seen this. Number 2, Alex does pet sitting in the summer. For each pet, he charges $9 per day. Write an equation used to find the total amount earned, T, for watching a pet for D days. So we have D for days. T is for total amount of money. So total amount. So it says $9 per day. So we have $9 per day. Do we know for how many days? No, we don't. So we're going to take the $9 times the number of days. And that'll give us the total amount of money that this person made. So let's say they did pet sitting for 1 day. 9 times 1 would give you $9. What if they pet sat for 5 days? Well, $9 per day times the 5 days, this person would make $45. That's how you would do it. Excuse me. So here is the answer. Number 3, a sub store sells 30 subs each hour. Write an equation to show the relationship between the number of subs in the store sells in H hours. So N equals number of subs. H is hours. So notice how we are labeling all of our variables. We are labeling what they represent. Alright, so the store sells 30 subs each hour. So 30 subs each hour. Do we know for how many hours? No. So you're taking the 30, the word each. This word each is going to mean to multiply. So 30 subs times the number of hours will give you how many subs are left in the store. There's your answer. Once again, guys, I would not worry too much about 1, 2, and 3. This is what we're going to start going into, and we are going to start breaking them down a little bit more in class to make you understand how to write equations. Okay? So don't stress too much. Not on your test this Thursday or Friday. It's what's coming up in Unit 9. This next part is on your test. Write an equation that will represent the output for each table, then decide if it's additive or multiplicative. Well, to get from 1 to -4, some of you are going to say, well, you multiply by -4. Well, 1 times -4 is -4. 3 times -4, does that equal -2? Well, no, it doesn't. So you can't multiply by -4. What about if we subtracted 1? How about you take your x value and you subtract 5 from it? 1 minus 5. Oh, that's -4. That works. Plug in my 3. 3 minus 5. Oh, that's -2, so that works. Plug in your x value. 6 minus 5. Oh, well, that's 1. That works. So my equation is, we're taking my x value, and we are subtracting 5 from it. So since we are subtracting in my equation, is that additive or is that multiplicative? That is additive. Next one, how would you get from 2 to 10? Well, some of you are saying times 5. How would you get from 4 to 20? Times 5. How about from 6 to 30? Times 5. So all you're doing is taking your x value and multiplying it by 5. You can write it like this, or you can write it with the dot. Both of those represent the same exact equation. Now, since we are multiplying here, is it additive or multiplicative? Since we are multiplying, it is multiplicative. Okay. Notice there's no table here for number 6. I'm going to create a table. So to get to this dot, my x value is 1. My y value is 6. The second one looks like it's at 2, 7. This next one looks like it's at 3, 8. Well, to get from 1 to 6, some of you are going to say times 6. Okay. Well, 2 times 6 is 7? No, that doesn't work. What else could you do? Well, couldn't you add 5? Well, 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 5 is 8. So that is correct. You are taking your x value and you are adding 5 to it. So that's your equation. Y equals x plus 5. Now, since we are adding, that is additive. Okay, and this last one, to go from 1 to 5, 2 to 6, 3 to 7, what are you doing? Again, some of you are going to say, well, that's times 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5, well, that doesn't equal 6. That doesn't work. How else could you get from 1 to 5? Plus 4. Well, 1 plus 4 is 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. So you are correct. You are taking your x value and you are adding 4 to it. Again, since my equation is adding, this is additive. Let's see what we got on the back side. Nothing! Yay! Alright guys, again, this first part, don't worry too much about. That's what we're going into in Unit 9. You have to know how to write equations from tables like you did here. And you're going to have to know how to write an equation from a graph. Notice on the graph, what I did is I took the points and I created a table. And then I wrote the equation from the table. So this bottom part you will have to know how to do on your test. Alright guys, I hope this video helps. You guys have a great day. Alright, bye.